The Maruti Suzuki S-Cross. In our opinion, one of the best cars in India to balance city and touring duties without asking for too much money. And a big part of that, the diesel engine. And it's gone. Welcome to the Zig Fast Forward. All you need to know without the nonsense. Well, this doesn't come as something unexpected. Just when Maruti Suzuki developed a new and truly praiseworthy diesel engine, they pulled the plug on diesel altogether. Now, the S-Cross is a petrol-only car. Because diesel is dead, apparently. They already showcased the petrol S-Cross at the Auto Expo, and it's basically the same car but with a different engine. It's BS6 compliant and is the same petrol engine that we've seen in the Ciaz, Ertiga, XL6 and Vitara Brezza, producing 105 PS and 138 Nm of torque. Thanks to the mild hybrid offered with both the manual and automatic, it does manage a pretty cool claimed fuel efficiency of over 18 kmpl. Aside from the mild hybrid tech, there's a new, for the S-Cross, 4-speed automatic transmission. Having worked with so many Maruti cars for so many years, this transmission is now eligible for a handsome gratuity payout. Or maybe just retirement? Otherwise, it's still the good old S-Cross. So it does have goodies like LED projector headlights, leathered upholstery, alloy wheels, and an updated touchscreen infotainment system, but sets no benchmarks when it comes to technology, features, or performance. It's always been a comfortable and spacious crossover that actually handled quite well, and we hope that doesn't change with the swap over to petrol. Here's how the prices stack up. Variant to variant, the S-Cross petrol manual is around 30 to 50,000 cheaper than the now discontinued diesel. For about the same price as a base Creta or base Seltos, you could get yourself the one below top S-Cross Zeta, while the top spec S-Cross Alpha is still cheaper than a mid-range Creta or Seltos. The real kicker though is the S-Cross Petrol Automatic, which even when fully loaded is about 2 lakh cheaper than its popular rivals. So even with nothing changed in terms of equipment, it does offer decent value and has something of a sweet spot between subcompact and compact SUVs. Would you get the S-Cross? What equipment would you like to see added to this car? Drop those thoughts in the comments and hit subscribe. And if it's the diesel S-Cross you're after, it's a great time to buy used. Check out the Car Dekho Gaadi store to see if there's a deal for you.